JBL Makalu Summit Series, How to Connect, Pair, and Use Step 1. Get a compatible amplifier or receiver. The Makalu speakers are passive, so they must be connected to an external amplifier or AV receiver. They don't have built-in Bluetooth or wireless features. Step 2. Use quality speaker cables. Connect the speaker cables from the amplifier's speaker outputs to the Makalu's binding posts, connectors at the back of the speaker. You can choose between single wiring or bi-wiring depending on your setup. Step 3. Position the speakers properly. Place the speakers symmetrically in your room for the best sound. Use the adjustable feet at the bottom isoacoustics isolators to reduce floor vibrations and improve sound clarity. Step 4. Set up the amplifier. Turn on your amplifier or AV receiver and adjust settings as recommended by JBL for best performance. How to use the JBL Makalu speakers. Step 1. Connect audio sources to the amplifier. Plug in your music devices, CD player, turntable, streaming device, etc., to the amplifier, not directly to the speakers. Step 2. Play and enjoy music. Once everything is connected and powered on, start playing music through your chosen source. The Makalu speakers will deliver rich bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, ideal for large room listening.